Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Monday, February 4th, and I'm going to be analyzing the Aussie US dollar starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. So on the Aussie dollar, I still think this is most likely going up for an ABC of Y. Just like the wave W was 1, 2, 3 waves and the wave X was 1, 2, 3 waves, I think the wave Y needs to continue up, most likely take out these previous highs, make 3 waves to the upside, most likely go up to one of these Fibonacci extended levels before we do get a bigger push to the downside. So let's take a look at it on the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, I still believe that the wave B is already over, the wave B of wave Y. I think this first push up is the wave 1 of wave C. I think this push down is possibly a wave 2 of wave C. Whether or not the wave 2 is over, I guess is still debatable. It could possibly go down again before it does go up, but at some point I do think it is going to end the wave 2, go up and make a wave 3, make a wave 4, and make a wave 5 of wave C, which should be a wave C of wave Y. So let's take a look at it on the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, this move down is kind of trendy looking, but it does look like an independent wave A. It looks like a collective wave B, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of wave C. And we have a nice break of structure to the upside. So I think there's a good chance this move down is going to make a higher low, and end up continuing back up, hopefully confirming that the wave 2 is over and confirming that we are in a big wave 3. So let's keep going down to the 4 hour time frame. On the 4 hour time frame is where I got my Fibonacci retracement on this last push up, which is very clearly a trend. It's definitely higher highs, higher lows. I think there's a chance this right here is a bottom. I definitely did pretty much respect the 61.8. I went a little bit past, but to me, it looks like the end of a crescent. It looks like this should now be back into an uptrend, and that it should be making higher highs, higher lows on like the 4 hour and daily time frame. Hopefully, this is a 1, a 2, and it goes up for a wave 3. So keeping all that in mind, let's head down to the 1 hour time frame. On the 1 hour time frame is where we got our Fibonacci retracement on just this last push up right here. Now we did have a pretty good bounce at the 38.2. Today is Monday, so I'm not really sure if I would expect too much out of today. But if it does go up, if it does break structure, then I would call that the end of a crescent. And if it does break structure, then that would definitely tell me that it's time to start looking for longs at the end of pullbacks. So, like I said, I do think there's a good chance that this is possibly going to go up for wave 3 on the higher time frames. So that tells me that on these shorter time frames, I'm definitely going to continue to look for longs at the end of ABC pullbacks. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel. The link for that is on the screen and in the description. Thanks and happy trading.